Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I need something to focus on. Excuse me while I focus. There we go. That'll be helpful. So that's a 16 by 20 inch dry black pre-primed canvas. And I'm going to give myself some paint on either side. And then some down the middle, and I'm going to just make this a little bit interesting by adding blue and black. I'm going to grab my spatula. I'm going to be a little bit fast and a little bit messy. Not worry too much about it, I don't think. We'll see what happens. I'm just putting a layer of paint on, and I like when I swipe through the colors in the center out to the outside edge, I like to have that variation on the outside edge. I'm going to pick up, anytime I swipe down with the spatula, I pick up a layer of paint that I can then put toward the center. Now, in my last painting I used mostly gold for this swipe, or golds. And I've been wanting to find a way for me to learn to love my scarlet from Rust-Oleum, Scarlet Metallic. So that's my plan, is to do some stuff almost the same as the last painting, which is to start with paint that's dark on the outside edges. Come on, off my blade. Throw that in the bucket. I'm going to grab another one. I want some white. I might add some more white, in fact. If you just touch your spatula and drag it off a little tiny bit on the edge, you'll get a little bead of paint rolling over. You can stick your fingers in it and it'll cover pretty well. Don't try and smear it on deep, because it'll probably just thin out so it doesn't do what you want it to do. I wouldn't mind this being a little more organic shaped, so I think I'm going to take liberties and make it a lot more organic. Make it not a straight line, in other words. Alright, before I get too fussy there, I'm going to throw that in the bucket. Now, what I started with last time was a layer of gold down the center, but I think I want the gold on either side. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And this is Decor Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. And I want some black. I want some black. What's it feel like to want? This is just to help create the illusion of stripes. And I'm going to start, before I put the scarlet in, I'm going to start and see how I like what I've got. I've got Floetrol and a nice big dish. And I have a pointy card. Do I want to try and use that right now? I'm going to use the flat end of my pointy card. And I am going to grab myself a better scrape dish than I had the last time. Redip. And scrape. Redip and scrape. Redip and scrape. Same thing right down the line. I am skipping some areas so that I'll drag the red, if I still want to do the red after this, I'll drag the red down those other areas, and I might use a thinner a thinner card. Now I probably put more pressure on that than I wanted to, but I don't think it's a bad thing right now because I love the amount of cells that just came up. There was definitely something in there. Drag and scrape, drag and scrape, drag and dip and scrape. There's my dip, there's my drag. Here comes my scrape. I would love it if this would work. Now I gotta remember I want some white stripes in there. And in order to get the white stripes, I'm gonna have to put those dots in that I put in for like the black. Wipe my card off so I can use it again. That white in the center looks like it should be enough to me. I'm going to use a little bit more. Cross your fingers. I think I might want some more red. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. That's pretty cool just like that. So here's my smaller card. And I'm going to dip. I might go one from one side and one from the other. Dip and scrape. I'm going to scrape it off on a different side. Oh, I wanted to use my pointy card. Where is my pointy card? There's my pointy card. Let's use the pointy card. So that way I break up the hard line in the center. I don't know what I'm going to do with this if I don't like it. Oh, I really don't want to destroy those cells. Never mind. And no, I did not use the Floetrol in the last 3 strokes. Sometimes I like to play fast and loose with paint just because I learned stuff that way. I still have a fair amount of the gold, which is making me happy. Keep scraping off my card. I liked it better before. The red is a challenge for me for sure. But I don't give up easily. And the Floetrol is making some nice cells. Even though I had really nice cells before, the gold is popping through and I'm really pleased to know that. And I know just the establishment that this will fit into, they have this color red walls. I'll have to go see them with this painting and see what they think. It's got some good colors. And I'm liking using my Floetrol dipped pointy card. I wonder if I want to do the same thing all the way across, or maybe leave more gold on one side than the other. That's kind of feeling like a good idea to me right now. Although I think I might have just messed that up. I started thinking, what other color could I add here? That's a lot of cells. A really whole lot of cells. I did use enough red not to get a tremendous amount of red. I don't know if I would have wanted more. I am going back and evening out. I can just press down on the point of this pointy card too, which will give me stripes that are thinner than the actual thing itself. So that is what it is. And what else do I want to do with that? I'm might completely redo it tomorrow, but it is what it is today, and it is what it was supposed to be. I don't like it as much as I want to yet. But I sure as heck have a lot of cells in there. Those cells are impressive. So I'm going to do a Venetian blue one of these next, and that one I will like. I don't see any of the purple in the black there. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to hope that tomorrow that the red shimmers. You know, I just really want to take my take my hot orchid and put it in there and see what happens right now, because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. I need a little more Floetrol. That's all. Do I want a big card or do I want a little card? Good question. Well, I've got a much wider card, and I think I might be just taking a chance and using the wider card. Ha! Hot orchid to the rescue! I love it. Scrape off my card. Probably wipe off my card too. I wonder where the widest card I've got is. Can I get away with that? That's still got some water on it from being rinsed off recently. Let's just use that. I love it. I lost the pointiness, but I got my soul back. I can't help it. I'm just not a fan of the Scarlet the same way that I am of the hot orchid. And thank goodness the cells just keep popping. I don't think I can use too much Floetrol to do this. Oh, I'm loving that. Wow. Surprise. So there's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe if you would like to. Know that there are over 1,800 videos, and you can go to my channel and find all playlists, created playlists. I want to level that out so it doesn't leave a really hard line. Oh, what a save the day moment for that. Oh, that's tremendous. And so simple. And unexpected. I saved it. Somebody's going like, we liked it before. Of course you did. But I did not. I'm almost done. What should I tell you guys? Thank you so much for all the kind words, all your comments. Keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate that. Very much. Almost as much as I appreciate the donations that help keep me painting, and thank you for those too. I've got paint on my scrape dish that I can fix my edges with. And will. Probably not while you're here. I'm going to torch. This white line here is Floetrol, so it will dry out. But I really think that if I wanted to, I could camouflage that just ever so slightly by bouncing my card up and down a few times. I don't mind the red with the pink. I like fuchsia plants. They're some of my favorites. I love the stripes down the center from that loop. You could drip them in instead of being fast like I was. Please give me a thumbs up. If you share my videos, you help me out immensely. I appreciate that when you do that. When you watch when the notifications come out, that's also a huge assistance to getting me good placement on YouTube. Not that that's been working for a long time, because I don't get the views I deserve, but I'm working on it. I'm working on you guys to help me by sharing my videos. Please check on the community board for tomorrow's video, should you be of a mind. Or look on the link tree on the Facebook groups. The link tree is below the video. And my email address is below the link tree should you be interested in making a purchase or inquiring about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm going to torch some more. And I interrupted myself. I know I did. So I think I told you about the 1,800 videos, and if I didn't, I have 1,800 videos plus, and they are organized into lists of 100 and by topic and genre. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask me. I wish that I knew that I could get away with putting some Venetian blue right down the center like I had just done with that Hot Orchid. The Hot Orchid is from Color Art, by the way. What else can I tell you? I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are all in the link tree, which is directly below the video. If you open Show More, sometimes you'll see it, and maybe sometimes you won't have to click Show More. So my community board I was telling you has tomorrow's video on it, and also you can leave comments there that I'll get back to you on, and you can ask me to see the dry artworks, and I'll post them there. If you have questions, please ask. My Amazon link. My affiliate link is on the link tree, and it has my books, volumes 1 and 2, because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. I'm going to try and get up on the little stool and zoom in for you guys. And I can't wait to see what this looks like without that little layer of Floetrol running down the middle. But check that out. Oh yeah, baby. That's cool. I like how it tapers out too. I really do. I'm swipe obsessed right now. So, pardon me if I get all excited. Okay, so what did I not tell you? Teespring clothing below the video. If you want to see any of my designs added to Teespring, all over print leggings and t-shirts, or added to pixels.com and Far North America for to join the other 1,400 items, let me know. If you have questions, I said that already. If you have questions, just ask me. I'll get back to you. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm so happy. I'm going back in again. They just make me so happy. Check that out. All right, I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you. Bye for now. I said that 3 times now. I'll see you anon.